Good morning, or good afternoon actually, because interesting times, isn't it? As we are here in the depths of the coronavirus and everything going on with that, and we've just slipped out to actually come down to a farm shop to get some vegetables and some provisions and bits and pieces. And it seems strange having not sort of left the house for probably about 10 days to come out. The roads are quiet, of course, not much traffic around. I feel very fortunate that we come down to the farm shop and find that there wasn't even a queue at the door and we could go straight in, or at least my wife's gone straight in to get the shopping and so on and so forth. So feeling quite fortunate really. But interesting times, I say, challenging times for a lot of businesses right now. And one of the things that I do is I kind of help speak to business owners and entrepreneurs on a one-to-one basis, really just trying to help them to make sense of where they're at the moment with their businesses and what they're trying to do, and help them really get through these times. Because like most of these challenges, we will get through, but sometimes a little bit of help, goes a long way, or even just a listening ear perhaps, which I can lend to people to talk through the particular challenges that those businesses might have. So if you're one of those businesses and perhaps you'd value a listening ear and you'd like to connect with me, please do so. If you go to my website at peterboulton.com, I'll put the website address on the bottom of this video, and just click on the one-to-one link, and you'll be able to see that you can then book a time for me to talk to you, and we can connect either on the phone or on Zoom. Of course, Zoom is becoming very popular, isn't it now? And what a great tool to be able to remotely talk to people, virtually talk to people. So that's really just the subject really of my lean in video today, an offer of support that if you need someone to talk to or someone to listen to you, and you'd like to discuss your particular business challenges and problems, then please reach out to me at peterboulton.com. I look forward to hearing from you. Cheers for now. Bye.